So good evening guys, hope every one of you are doing great. So I come here with a very interesting topic, okay? Why do you think, okay, everything has a reason behind it? Why do you think mental health is rising at such a fast pace? Obviously there used to be mental health problems in the past too, but they used to definitely go unrecognized, or there were not that much of stressors or that much of other underlying factor. But what has happened now, that we are seeing the mental health thing as a global crisis. I'll give you some of the reasons. One of the thing is modern society. Okay, with modern lifestyle and modern society, we have lot of stress from our society, lot of stress from our education system, lot of stress from our uh, work system, and a whole lot of lifestyle thing. Okay, and we'll discuss some of them. Okay, that will really help. The main motive is that there are certain things that you can really manage. Okay, and there's certain things that you cannot manage, and there's a famous saying, okay, if you worry about those things that you cannot have control over or you cannot manage, you will make your life a mess. So try to control those things that are really in your control. Okay, first and foremost, definitely lifestyle. There are a lot of stressors now. Okay, definitely there used to be stressors in the past time, but now with modern technology, modern lifestyle, busy lifestyle, nuclear society, there's more and more pressure. The competition, the pollution, these are one of the major factors. These are somehow or the other contributing to that thing. Okay, and somehow or the other individuals, okay, having low self-confidence, low self-esteem, poor self-image, and a lot of these problems are somehow coming from modern lifestyle. Definitely genetic factors are bound to like affect, but we'll not be discussing much because genetics you can really not do anything. Okay, but you can always manage your problems. That's the basic idea of making all this video, just to make you aware that anything, even the most severe problems, can be managed. Even though it could not be completely treated, it can be managed. Okay, so the main motive of all this thing is that. The second thing, self-isolation. These days, due to technology, we are all enclosed in our houses. I've talked about this multiple times, that we are enclosed in our house, and we are just with our mobile phone rather than talking to our friends, family members. We are geared up with mobile phone and we are living in isolation. We are believing that we are somehow connected, but no, we are not connected at all, and that is one of the reasons mental health is rising. That previous days or earlier days, you could remember, you did not had phone and you went out, you went to play, you used to enjoy your time, but now it's the total opposite. You are isolated at home. So that was the second thing. Third thing, what may be the third thing? Lifestyle. What kind of lifestyle you are living these days? Just because of modern lifestyle, an unhealthy type of lifestyle has been developing majority of population. Whether you see poor diet, all those food, okay, junk food and processed food has become part of your daily meal. And definitely if nothing good is going within the body, within the brain, obviously it's going to affect your mental health. Secondly, sedentary lifestyle. People are busy with their work. Sedentary lifestyle, most of the work is done with the help of technology. Obviously that is one of the major reasons. Sleep deprivation, again come the role of mobile phones. When you are sleep deprived, you are prone to lot of problems, mental health problems and things like that. And there are other factors to their urban population, there's pollution things. Okay, they definitely are a stressor that can create mental health problems. But naturally you cannot be doing lot about them. Okay, you can only think, or you can only work on yourself. Even you cannot be working on the other person. It's always your responsibility to minimize the stressors in life. Sometimes what happens is people are not able to manage their work and home lifestyle, and definitely that creates stressors. Okay, when the individual is trying to get his ambition, at the same time he wants to have a happy family, and he's not able to manage because he's gearing some time or more of the time to his work and other ambitions, that he's not able to give time to his family, and somehow the rift is created, relationship problems uh, comes from all those things, and these are manageable things. Okay, that's why it's very 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 natural that these things are happening. But there's always thing called management. Okay, management is always possible. The video's main motive is always that you can always manage all those things, and mental health problems can be treated, mental health problem can be managed if you get the good guidance, if you get the better guidance, or if you get the right guidance at the right time. And it's always your first step that you ask for help. And there are a lot of other factors too that we'll be discussing later on part. But if you can manage, try to manage your lifestyle, okay? And definitely if you are feeling that some problem is genetic, just go out, find out the underlying problem, and try to figure out as much as solution you can get, and that will pretty help you. At last, it's all about you, your productivity, your lifestyle, your life. So try to make a better lifestyle out of your life that will be beneficial to you, your family, those around you, and the whole community. Thank you, brother and sister.